Thank you, sir. Now I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, my Lord, Senior Judges, and other competent judges of the Honorable High Court, Mr. Vijay Narayanan, Advocate General, Mr. Shankar Narayanan, Additional Solicitor General, Additional Advocate Generals, Mr. A. Nadarajan, Public Prosecutor, Madras High Court, Mr. Jayaprakash Narayanan, Government Pleader, Mr. Bharata Chakravarti, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Govindasamy, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman of Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Mohana Krishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association, Mr. A. L. Sundaresan, Senior Advocate, President, Madras Bar Association, Mrs. Louisal Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association, Mr. L. Chengutuvan, President, Law Association, and other office bearer of the respective associations, senior advocates, law officers, all the officers of the Honorable High Court, members of the legal fraternity. It is great pleasure to deliver the welcome address to the Honorable Chief Justice, who sworn in as Chief Justice of our Chartered High Court. Our new Honorable Chief Justice, Sanjeev Banerjee, is an established personality in our great Indian judiciary. Our new Chief Justice delivered a speedy and effective justice to everyone who approached his court. His Lordship introduced several reforms in the court of functioning system and disposed to several landmark issues, particularly in civil, company, arbitration, constitutional matters, corporate and intellectual property laws. His Lordship dealt with all type of cases and delivered landmark judgments. Even recently, His Lordship banned the Kali Puja in and around Calcutta in view of the ongoing pandemic and concern towards its residents. In another case with unusual circumstances, His Lordship imposed a fine of ₹1 lakh on the Calcutta High Court itself for compulsory retiring a railway magistrate cum judicial magistrate who tried to improve train delays. To my knowledge, such a noble act of justice like this was done by our great King Manunidhi Cholan, who is now idolized and worshipped all over our state for his sense of true justice. As we all know, even our Madras High Court campus has a statue of Manunidhi Cholan. This is a historic occasion in the annals of the Chartered High Court of Madras with the judiciary. The judiciary has got new year gift by appointing the Honorable Chief Justice to lead the judiciary with the other eminent judges of the Madras High Court. This is definitely a boon to our Madras High Court, as His Lordship nature of delivering effective justice and speedy disposal can improve the judicial standards of both the advocates as well as the common public. All of us, both the advocates and the public, should be thankful that His Lordship has taken charge as a Chief Justice of our Madras High Court. My humble request to His Lordship to consider the welfare of the advocates and pay attention to the subordinate judiciary by providing those with the more amenities. The Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry is providing maximum welfare measure to the legal fraternities. We have started coaching classes for the aspirants who are participating in the judicial examination, and several advocates have been appointed as a judicial officer as well as the law officer of various fields. We have also taken multiple steps to increase the welfare fund and other schemes of the advocates to encourage young advocates. We also implemented the idea of providing a stipend for the newly enrolled advocates, and the government is providing ₹3,000 per month to the new entrants for 2 years. It's my duty to mention here that after the COVID-19 pandemic, the practice of advocates, particularly in subordinate courts, are affected, and we can understand the mind of our new Chief Justice from his several judgments delivered in the Calcutta High Court, considering the pandemic situations. Therefore, we are confident that His Lordship will take care of the interest of the legal fraternity, particularly all over Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. the Honorable Administrative Committee of the Madras High Court has taken a decision to proceed to function subordinate courts with its full capacity of allowing the physical hearing with an option to virtual hearing to the advocates subject to the standard operating procedure to be followed in the regards with the effect from 18/1/2021. The same method can be adopted to the principal bench of the Madras High Court and the bench at Madurai, including the opening of chambers, Milad. Since the bar and bench are two wheels of the chariot involved in the dispensers of justice, I assure that the members of the bar in the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry will extend full support and cooperation to the new Chief Justice for the administration of justice. And in all the endeavors to have a speedy and quick dispensation of justice and a secure justice to all the section of people, I welcome Honorable Chief Justice to this High Court. Thanking one and all. Thank you very much.